The Insta360 ONE R with the 360 mod combined with an invisible selfie stick can create some pretty magical and intriguing shots. One common mistake though with the Insta360 ONE R is that the camera isn't always kept straight on the selfie stick. And when this happens, the selfie stick can be seen in your photos and videos and the invisibility magic is lost. The reason this happens with the Insta360 ONE R is because it's designed with a GoPro style finger mount. And this isn't fixed, so it can easily tilt left and right and put the camera out of alignment. What's meant to happen is that the selfie stick is kept invisible because it gets hidden here in the Insta360 ONE R's stitch line. But as soon as it falls out of this stitch line, you'll see it as a black blob or a long black line in your shot. And this isn't always your fault. You can tighten your camera up and straighten it as best as you can, but it can move and it can get knocked when you move from one location to another. And it's not until you get home that you realise that all your shots are ruined. RB Ventures are a small family-run business that love coming up with simple solutions to problems like this. And they've created a simple camera accessory to solve this issue and keep your camera straight. This is a solid nylon sleeve that has been precisely engineered and designed specifically for the ONE R camera. And it locks the camera in place and stops it tilting. To fit it, you simply remove the 1/4 inch tripod mount and place the sleeve over the mount. And when you do this, you can either leave the tripod mount on the selfie stick or take it off, it makes no difference. You then place the tripod mount back on the Insta360 ONE R, insert the screw and put the camera back on the selfie stick if you've removed it. And the camera is now unable to tilt left or right. It's now fixed in position the same way that the ONE X2 would be with its integrated thread. If you're only going to use the Insta360 ONE R in 360 mode, then you can simply leave this accessory on. It may be that you want to switch between modules and use the 4K mod and the 1" mod, in which case you may still want to tilt the camera. This accessory is easily removed and it can be removed in seconds, and it's so tiny you won't even notice it in your pocket. This is a must-have accessory, particularly for beginners, so that you can retain that 360 magic in all of your shots. And if you want more tips to help you get the best shots with your 360 camera, you'll want to watch this video next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.